Hello, welcome to Dimple's and Arabian journey, sharing recipes every Sundays and on Thursdays. Please don't forget to subscribe us and stay connected by hitting onto the bell icon for all the further notification. Today's unique recipe out of the box is my favorite soya chunk masala. This can be an alternative for the paneer and a great dish for vegetarian. So here I've taken 2 large onions sliced, 1 large tomato chopped, 2 tablespoons of garam masala, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of chaat masala powder, 1 tablespoon of zeera, that is cumin, 2 tablespoons of crushed peppercorn, 1 by 4 cup of coriander leaves chopped, 2 to 3 green chilies, salt 1 tablespoon for taste, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1 by 4 cup of ginger paste. Here I've taken 500 grams of soya chunks, and to this I'm going to add 800 ml of water and soak them for good 20 minutes. Please add more water if required so that all the soya chunks are completely soaked. You could also boil them with a pinch of salt. So what I have done is completely submerge the soya chunks for good 20 minutes. Roughly around 1 liter to 800 ml of water have been used for 500 grams of soya chunks. I haven't boiled it, I've just submerged them completely. Post 20 minutes, just drain all the water, squeeze the soya chunks and drain the water completely out of the soya chunks. You could use a strainer to do this with the help of a ladle. Kindly follow the exact similar process even if you cook them or pressure cook them. Just drain the water, the excess water, or remove the excess water out of the soya chunks. So now our soya chunks are all set and ready to be cooked. Let us now begin. All set and all ready, let's start cooking. In a hot pan, I'm adding less than 1 by 3 cup of oil. To this I'm adding 1 tablespoon of cumin, that is zeera. Please add 1 by 4 cup of chopped garlic, this is fresh garlic. To this I'm adding 2 green chilies and saute them well for good 1 minute. Please do not burn them. Add some chopped onions, this is 2 large onions. Fry them until they get translucent. You could also add some salt to it so that it gets caramelized easily. Here we really need to have some patience so that our onions get brown. To this I'm adding chili powder, around 2 tablespoons. And now I'm going to add some garam masala powder. Saute them for good 1 minute. Garam masala, you can adjust it. Please add 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger paste. You could also find a ginger garlic paste recipe under the description box below. Please have a look. Saute them and then you can add some tomatoes. Please add fresh crushed pepper powder, around 1 to 2 tablespoons or teaspoon. Have used generously around 2 tablespoons of pepper powder. You could just reduce it to 2 teaspoons also. Give it a good quick mix. To this I'm adding some coriander leaves. So now our soya chunks can be added to the masala directly, and you need to give it a quick mix. Coat them well all together for good 2 minutes. This process wouldn't take much long, hardly 2 to 3 minutes. Just combine and mix them. Please keep your flame onto the lowest point of heat at this time. To this now I'm adding some chaat masala powder, around 1 to 2 tablespoons or teaspoon. Now generously you can add some coriander leaves and switch off the flame. So here it goes, another dish for a vegetarian menu option. Some delicious soya chunks masala recipe. Thanks for watching Dimple's and Arabian journey. Share this recipe with your friends and family and stay connected.